Justin Pinion is the Philippines' most sought-after mentalist, mind reader. Ayan, medyo, be cautious, guys. He's a mind reader. Widely known as the mental assassin. His award-winning mind-reading skills and showmanship have been featured across multiple networks, including his own TV show, TV special, and radio program. With countless appearances on television, radio, and online platforms, Justin continues to captivate audiences with his unparalleled expertise in mentalism. And one last thing, your mind is next.
Na-try na natin yan, Go away dyan. Let's give a round of applause to
Justin Pinion.
Yes! Hello everybody! Is everybody enjoying so far? Kala mo mag-show, Good evening everyone! My name is Justin Pinion and people call me the mental assassin. Do you want to know why? Yeah, because of my ability to read minds. But I'm not psychic. Hindi ako psychic, wala akong kapangyarihan. I cannot see the future. So don't ask me for lotto results. I don't know that. Don't ask me about your love life. Hindi ko kilala yung mga katuluyan ninyo. But I can read minds through psychology, observation. Hindi ko talaga kaya ng body language reading. To show you ano yung mga napagdaanan ko. Okay, here's my presentation. Okay? So, before we begin, meron akong unang question sa inyo. If you have the ability to read minds, what would you do? Dahil pumasok sa isip ninyo, maglalaro sa casino, di ba? Babasahin yung isip ng mga asawa, right? So, dami lumalapit sa akin ng ganun, di ba? So, like any other job na meron kayo, meron din akong origin story. Saan ba ako nag-umpisa? Paano ako nagsimula? So, it all started around 17, 18 years ago when I had this girlfriend. Nagsimula lahat sa pag-ibig. So, we were in a relationship for 5 years and we decided na mag-study kami sa school na magkatabi. Like, sa San Beda ako, sa Holy Spirit siya. Tapos, like, 5th year na relationship namin, she broke up with me. She was my first girlfriend. Then I realized, what if I can read minds? Kasi kung nakakabasa ko ng isip, malalaman ko na ipagpapalit na pala niya ako sa classmate niya. Right? Or if I can hypnotize people, I'll just hypnotize her to get back with me. Yun yung naging motivation ko noong time na yun. So I started searching. Right? So I searched for a couple of mentors. So I was strolling down a mall, tapos meron akong nakitang bookstore. May nakitang book, ang title ng book is Definitive Book of Body Language. The authors is Alan Pease and Barbara Pease. So na-realize ko, if I can read body language, I can also read minds. Kasi hindi ko na kailangan maging psychic. I just have to read their gestures and how they react. To give you a little gist kung ano ba yung mentalism. Mentalism is a performance art where we showcase the power of the mind. Okay, so it is a branch of magic since it is a performance art, but there are different kinds of mentalism. So, to give you a little history about mentalism, nagsimula ito sa 1900s, ang tawag sa kanila mga psychic entertainers. Okay, so and then a lot of people saw yung mga ginagawa nila, replicate ng mga magicians, hanggang sa nagkaroon ng mga modern mentalists, and nandito na ako ngayon. So I am one of the modern mentalists that I do, that came from psychic vaudeville entertainers. Okay? So how am I able to read minds? Paano ba nakakabasa ng isip? There are different kinds of mentalists. So before we go to my method of reading minds, merong iba't ibang klaseng mentalist. So simulan natin with the first kind of mentalist. And the first kind is the spiritualist. As kilala ko sa Ekaluan. A spiritualist can read minds by seeing dead people. Parang ganon. So their performance is, I have a friend who's not here, think of something, and my friend is gonna help me to figure out what it is that you are thinking of. So they can speak and they can see dead people, di ba? Second is the psychic. So this is my friend Nomer Lasala. He's called the Mind Master, di ba? So he is psychic. A psychic has super powers. Parang naririnig nila yung thoughts mo. They can move metals from side to side, di ba? They can open fire just by looking at it. Ganon. So they have supernatural abilities. And last, which is my method, is psychology. The psychological illusionist. So I use psychology. I studied human behavior and psychology for this one in order for me to replicate those psychic phenomena of reading minds, di ba? Okay, now Marty, out loud, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Isa pa?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Isa pa?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Parang ang ganda ng intonation mo, Marty, sa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm not looking at you, Marty, but are you thinking of the number 4?
Yes.
Yes, thank you very much. And think of the number. I'm gonna look at her body language. Think of the number over. Okay, good. It's like you wanna say the number 5. Is it 5?
Yes.
Yes, thank you very much. Let's give Marty a big hand. And that's how you cheat para dumami yung time mo. Okay. Next. Next slide, next slide. Now, so where do I usually perform? I perform, yung pinaka-niche ko talaga is corporate events. So corporate events, kinukuha nila ako to perform. And then some events, like here, I performed here before, right? And a couple of events with Marty and Cookie, di ba? So events, restaurants, bars, corporate events, and companies also hire me to teach them how to read people, lalo sa sales. So, yun yung unang job ko. So, what are the practical uses of mentalism aside from looking for parking lots? Di ba? Kasi, mga friends ko, Justin, wala akong parkingan, tulungan mo nga ako. Okay, so, practical uses, of course, you'll be more sensitive about your surroundings, di ba? So, alam mo na agad kung ano yung pwedeng isipin ng mga tao around you. And I also teach them, di ba? So, if you're interested. So, paano ka ba mag-start, di ba? You have to be really crazy. Okay? You have to be really crazy, like all of you, right? Because if you're not crazy, you don't know how to move forward and start. Di ba? You have to be really crazy and meron ka dapat vision, di ba? And look for mentors. Right? Look for mentors. So, yun talaga yung una kong ginawa. I look for mentors and marami pang iba. So, another volunteer. Marty, ikaw ulit. Ano ka dito, Marty?
Okay, Okay. Okay.
So since we are competing with time.
Okay.
Since we are competing with time. So nakalimutan ko pala sabihin sa inyo kanina. Kaya ako naging mentalist kasi nung bata pa lang ako, nasa entertainment side na talaga ako. Lagi akong pinapakanta, pinapaperform. I actually been to one episode, yung pinaka first episode ng Ang TV. Naalala yung Ang TV? Kapag 4:30 na,
alam mo ba?
diba?
Writer si
Ayun.
Cookie. She's the youngest writer in ABS.
Wow, really? I'm gonna ask you to think of, since we are running with time, diba? I'm going to ask you to think of as a random time. Cookie, I have something for you. Wala, nakalimutan ko. That's gonna be important for later. Okay?
4:30.
Ano akong binigay na envelope sa'yo? A prediction. I gave something to you, Cookie.
Ang TV time.
Sa'yo ko talaga binigay kasi feeling ko, ito talaga yung iisipin mo. Ladies and gentlemen, 4:30, thank you very much. And you have to think of 4:30. That's called power of suggestion. Kasi I was suggesting that kanina pa, di ba? Pag 4:30 na, ang TV na. Thank you very much. Another hand for Martin. Nadaya ko na naman siya to extend my time.
Okay, oh!
And next. And next. So, yun yung ginagawa ko. So, what mentalism has taught me? Mentalism taught me how to be, kasi ang number one parang, is, sa strength is empathy. My question for you before I end this is, like any other thing na gusto mo mag-start or mag-jump forward na gawin, what is your intention? Your intention speaks louder than your words and your actions. So always think, bakit ko ba ginagawa to? Bakit ako gumigising sa araw-araw? Right? So, with that, I would like to end this with one of my favorite quotes. This is Joseph Dunninger. He is a modern mentalist from the 1950s. For those who believe, no explanation is necessary. For those who do not believe, no explanation will suffice. Right? And with that, I would like to thank you all for listening. Let's get connected. Here are my socials, Justin Pinion, Mind Reader, website justinpinion.com. Thank you everybody for listening. That's it for me. Alam ko lumampas ako sa time. Thank you.
Makuta ka.